all Paving, we build more than roads. We build trust. With 12 years of experience, we've delivered projects that stand for quality, commitment, and durability. Our philosophy is simple. Every detail matters. From safety in every step to excellence in the final result, we transform spaces into safer, more functional places. All Paving. 12 years paving the future with responsibility and dedication.